Hey you guys, Happy New Year, Happy 2023. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I'm really excited to be posting today because it's been a couple of weeks. I enjoyed the winter break and the holidays, and I hope you guys did too. In this video, we have tons going on. We are getting a new kitchen table, so you guys will see that here in the video. We're going to be undecorating, taking down all of the Christmas decor. As you just seen in the previous clips, that is the day after Christmas. We just filmed a little bit of picking up the day after Christmas mess. And so right now I'm just starting off with my bedroom, getting it cleaned up and washing the blankets. We are undecorating the bedroom, and I'm also going to be taking down some of my farmhouse decor that I don't want anymore. I'm kind of switching the style of our home slowly. I want it a little bit more modern, but I still will have some of those pieces that you would consider farmhouse. So kind of just mixing things up. It's going to be a home refresh. I want to work on that for the next couple of months, declutter, reorganize, and I'm just ready to have some change in the house. All right, so now we're downstairs. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the space, getting it back in order. It was super messy. It's been a week. I'm telling you, every other day I'm like, I'm gonna pick up this mess. I'm gonna get my house cleaned and undecorate. And it took me a few extra days to actually get the motivation and do it. And let me know what your plans are for the new year. What are some goals that you have? Are you doing any projects, any fun events or celebrations coming up? Let me know.
Dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need it.
So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my toaster because it's been a while. So I'm just taking out the bottom trays and cleaning those off, and the sink, wiping the top of it and storing it away. So let's start putting this decor away. I do like that feeling once you put it away and your space just seems more minimal and less cluttered. And we really enjoyed Christmas while I was here, but now it's time to get the house back in order. So I do go ahead and show some shots of the whole downstairs at the end so you can kind of see the progress from that mess to a more minimal and clutter-free space.
Dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you.
I do hope this video gives you motivation on whatever you are working on right now. I did pick up quite a few things from Amazon over the past couple of weeks that I'm loving. So I'm gonna go ahead and film a YouTube short. So stay tuned for that. Let me know if you watch YouTube shorts. I just started the last couple of months and I will watch one and just start scrolling. So I'm excited to start making some for the channel in between some of my longer videos.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some all the stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, yeah. Hanging with somebody, yeah.
So now we're gonna go ahead and vacuum the space that the dining room table will be in. We did sell it, our old one, on Facebook Marketplace. The money from that helped the cost of the new table. I love Facebook Marketplace. Let me know if you use it. I'm just vacuuming. I want to steam mop this area since there is no table there and it's just easier to do. So we're gonna do that. Okay, you guys, so this is the new kitchen table. We're really excited about it. It is absolutely beautiful. It gives our home a little bit more of that modern look. We did pick it up from Living Spaces, and it is by Drew and Jonathan, which are the Property Brothers. I don't know if you guys have seen that show, but this is their new like West Ridge furniture, and I just love it. I love the chairs. I love the bench. I've wanted a bench for a minute. I just thought that's a cute option with your kitchen table. So that's the table. I wanted to share that with you guys because we've had our last table for about almost 6 years now, and it was just time to upgrade it because there was a lot of wear and tear on it, and I don't want that distressed look anymore either. So we made the change. Just excited to slowly transition the home to a little bit more of that modern style. So now we're gonna finish taking down the rest of the decor. This tree was a pain, you guys, let me tell you. I've also started a pile of donations for the farmhouse decor that I don't want anymore. So I'll show you some of the pieces that I have in a box at the end.
I'm
I recently just picked up this wrapping paper organizer, so it holds all of your holiday bows and name tags, ribbons. I'm keeping my scissors and tape in there and a pen. So this is really convenient, and it was super affordable on Amazon. I will link it down below, but I just love it. I think this is genius, and it just helps keep things more organized.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment down below so I know that you were here. Let me know how you're doing. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm really excited for 2023 and just giving my home another refresh. You know, we're always evolving, all of that good stuff. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys down in the comments. Bye, you guys.